nasaan na kayo noon, nung panahon ng 2 million? CHR, law firm, o sa
Nasa
DOJ?
law firm na kami po. Nasa law firm pa ako kami, sir.
Ah, sa law firm pa.
Opo.
So, kailan mo binangon yung bahay mo?
2007 po.
2007.
2007 ko tinayo.
So, kaninong pangalan yung bahay ngayon, yung orange? Na kaninong pangalan?
Nasa akin po.
Sa inyo. Pero sino may-ari nun?
Sa amin dalawa ni ma'am, sir.
Ah, kayong dalawang may-ari. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ibig sabihin, yung bahay na yun, sa inyong dalawa ni ma'am.
Parang gano'n lang turing ko, sir. Kasi share kami din. Although malaki yung pera niya doon.
So, share kayo dun sa bahay.
Yes, sir.
Na binili mo rin na lupa na 120,000.
Opo, sir.
Plus yung 2 million na share niya dun sa bahay.
Opo.
Ah, ngayon, ito naman, yung pagsasabong mo, saan galing yung mga manok mo?
Yung iba, sir, pa-breeding na po namin.
Binili mo ba yon?
Pinabreed po.
Tapos, sumasali rin kayo sa mga pasabong.
Pag may nag-i-invite lang po, sir.
Magkano naman ang pinupusta mo?
Pag yung manok na kursonada ko, sir, aabot ako ng mga 11,000.
11,000 isang manok.
Opo.
So tinagal-tagal mo, ilan ang naisabong mong manok?
Mga nasa magit 100 na rin po, sir.
100 manok, tagi 11,000 ang pusta mo?
Hindi. Iba-ibang, hindi naman lahat ng manok na yun is 11,000. Yung kursonada kong manok lang na ilalaban, ang pupustahan ko ng 11,000.
So anong panahon yan? From what year to what year?
Sir, 2000, nag-start akong magmanok. Yan, 2007 eh.
Your Honor,
Yes.
please.
Yes, sure. So hanggang nasa DOJ ka, nagsasabong ka?
Opo.
Okay, final sir. Mr. Chairman, anong napansin ko po kasi, nung hindi siya sumipot, nag-issue tayong warrant of arrest. Ang problema ngayon, syempre, nung nag-issue ng warrant of arrest, gumastos tayo para hanapin siya. Pwede ko ba tanungin po lang si General De La Rosa kung magkano po kaya ang nagastos sa paghahanap kay Ronnie? General, meron kaya tayong, although trabaho talaga ng pulis, ang maghanap ng mga may warrant of arrest, pwede ko ba na, ito lang huli ang tanong ko, pwede ho ba kung ano yung estimate sa gastos para hanapin si Ronnie para dalhin dito po ng Philippine National Police?
Mahirap mag-estimate, Your Honor, dahil actually hindi man nire-record ng mga pulis yan dahil kung pwede, tanungin ko muna yung RD ng PRO1, Your Honor, dahil sa daming pulis na involved, I presume na gumastos talaga dahil matagal na, more than 1 month yung paghahanap sa kanya, Your Honor. Nagbabayad ka pa bibigay ka ng pera doon sa mga posibleng informant. Ganon, Your Honor. So, hindi ko alam, Your Honor. I will check it out. Pero I presume malaki-laki dahil more than 1 month ang lakaran nila.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Mr. General. Thank you, Ronnie.
Are you done? Yeah, thank you. We now recognize Congressman Max Rodriguez.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. May hapon, Ronnie. Gusto ka Bisaya?
Ilonggo, sir, marunong.
Oo, kasi your wife from Negros, di ba?
Opo, sir.
Bisaya ka, pwede yung Bisaya.
Opo, sir.
Hantod ka ron, ihigog ba pa ba niyo si Dilema?
Your Honor.
Ilonggo lang, sir.
I was
Ilonggo.
asking whether up to now, he still loves Dilema.
Pwede bang tagalugin mo para...
Hanggang ngayon,
Para hindi
mahal mo
na
ba si Dilema?
Hindi na po, sir.
Hindi na. After all that 7 years, after giving 2 million from you for the house, you're staying in the house, no? Sa bahay ka. And then having employed your brother in the immigration,
Yes, sir.
and other goods na binigay ni Dilema sa'yo.
Opo, wala
Pero
Parang wala
sa
na rin akong napipil
sa tibok ng puso mo, meron pa rin konti siguro tumitibok sa
Parang wala
kanya.
na rin akong
Wala
nararamdaman.
talaga. Oh. Anyway, I was just looking at the possibility that maybe our witness is lying. Sinungaling.
You have your chance to
Yeah. Nakita
uncover.
ko na parang may binigay ka sa amin ng mga salita na hindi totoo.
Hindi sir, yung
May
parang
nakita ko, ha? Okay, sagutin mo lang ako. Una, sinabi mo na hindi ka nakakita ng pera ever since. And in fact, yung ikaw as security driver, ikaw ang tumanggap ng pera, ikaw naghatid, o alam mo saan nilagay sa kwarto. No,
Yes,
that's
sir.
very, hindi mapaniwala na hindi mo alam na pera yan, at hindi mo nakita.
Hindi, sinabi ko naman po sir na pera ito siguro kasi sinasalat ko, di ba? Sinasabi kong ganun.
Pero
din
sa
kanina
tingin
pa.
ko, Ronnie, pinuksan mo yon at binalik mo pag staple.
Hindi,
Kasi
kay stapler
you're
yan,
a
sir.
security officer eh. Baka Bombay yung binigay. How do you know?
Kaya nga-
Security officer, may training ka naman siguro
Mayroon po sir.
na
Kaya nga
mga
po
packages
sinasalat
sa
ko, sir,
sarado, kikita mo. Titignan mo talaga yan.
Kung kasama ko ang VIP ko sir.
Hindi ako maniwala ang hindi mo buksan. I think you opened it and you saw the money. Okay? 1 point yun.
Hindi problema yun.
Second point, bakit nagsinungalingan man uli? Nagsinungalingan man uli.
Ano, sir?
Di ba kung sasalita?
Ay.
Because you say you don't know the people, di mo alam yung mga tao sa Bilibid prison. And you only know Ragos because Ragos, interesado siya magpa-promote, di ba? Okay?
Yes sir.
But I don't believe na hindi mo kilala sina, you know Jonel, di ba? You know the others dyan.
Yung
Sa
mga
Bilibid.
security, kilala ko, pero yung mga taga-inmate sir na nagdadayo, hindi ko po talaga sila kilala at hindi ko po pa sila nakikita sa personal. Yun po ang totoo talaga sir.
Tanong ko sa iyo, did you ever receive any money from the Bilibid prison? From any person there?
Sino po si Junil?
Anybody? May natanggap ka doon pera, any amount of money from the Bilibid prison. May inabot ba sa iyo something na binigay mo
Wala po sir. Nalabot sa akin si Junil. At wala
Because
sa akin si...
the year 2014, that was the height of the raids, no? And in 15, that was the height when he was the one who had connection with Kerwin and everybody in that matter, no? So, then there was this problem about the statement of Kerwin na binigay yung pera sa 15. But he changed the date to 14. Hindi pa ba yung petsa nagpagbigay ng mga pera galing kay Kerwin? Kasi si Kerwin sinasabi niya, 15 yun. Yung sinasabi mo, 40.
Kasi 15 sir, wala na pa ako kay ma'am eh. 2015, January, wala, nag-resign na,
Wala ka
February,
na siguro
nag-resign na po ako kay
Senator, but
Secretary
then you
Badong.
were still working with
Hindi na
her.
po.
Officially, wala ka na.
Nag-resign na po ako talaga.
Nag-resign ka. But probably you were still with her in the operation.
Pa-text-text na lang po ng kung ano ang maitutulong niya.
That remains to be seen because we have to look at the circumstances around it with the DOJ already. Some more. Then you say that you had a savings of 800,000 pesos. You had a cockfight farm or cock farm, and then you had
Kak lang po sir, wala akong farm.
Saan mo nilagay yung
Sa ano
Sa
ng
farm.
lupa ng ate ko.
But it's unlikely that with that kind of money, forgive me to say that, na with your kind of income, you can save 800,000 for
Yung
your
mga-
house.
Yung
with a
mga
house.
isinasama ko na po yun sir. Siya pa nga unang mga pinagtrabahuan ko. Hindi naman po lahat ay pinagtrabahuan ko doon kay
Well,
Rolfo Luis de Lima.
you made the house in 2007, is that correct?
Yes sir.
I don't believe you. I think you made the house during that time, but you were collecting money.
No. 2007 kahit
Because-
ano pwede din sir.
How can Lilima give 2 million at the time when he was in a law firm? Impossible, no? Na bibigay siya ng 2 million sa'yo. Well,
Election lawyer si
2007.
ma'am noon kasi.
Ha?
Election lawyer mo po si ma'am noon.
2 million is bad, no? So big. And unless, should we say, there was really a connection with him na talagang close kayo masyado, maybe he should give 2 million, but that is near to impossible, giving 2 million for this instance sa bahay, no? Maybe you can buy a lot or a house somewhere.
Eh, sir, kasi siya naman po ang nagpursige noon, naitayo yung bahay.
Okay, okay, but I'll just say na ano yun. No. So, and then you said that itong mga incident nilagay mo sa ipidabit mo, were there people who went to you before you will caught and told you what to say in this body? Meron bang mga tao pumunta sa iyo before nahuli ka na nagsabi sa iyo ng itong sasabihin mo ngayon?
Wala po, sir.
Are you sure of that?
Opo, dito lang namin ginawa yan.
Ilang months ka sa nagtago?
Magti 3 months po.
Meron bang mga tao na alam nila na nandun ka talaga, hindi ka umalis?
Doon sa pinagtaguan ko po, ako lang po ang nakakaalam.
Pero meron kang nakakarinig ka ng news doon, TV or radio or something?
Hindi po, sir.
Impossible. You know,
Walang
in
kurente po doon,
Luzon,
bundok po
you
yun.
have all the means of communication and TV or radio programs that you can hear. Even the Moses Mountain, no? And I think even saying that the cell phone got lost is impossible. You know, almost tayo kasi we always make use of our cell phone. Parang if we lose it, parang we lose 1/2 of our lives, di ba?
Doon
It's
kasi
possible
sa...
that you lose your cell phone. Maybe you deliberately lost your cell phone so that wala na tanong dito sa iyo sa text ni Senador or somebody connected with her. No? So, Chairman, this is something like we have to have caution, no? May duda kami si Ronnie, no? Ikaw, you have a good life ahead of you. Sinabi kang magbabago ka. But then, this testimony might not stand out, might not be credible enough to pass judgment. No? Yun ang natingin namin dito. And pagpagawa lang kanina ng pagsabi ni Congressman Acop kanina, na how did you come up with this statement? It's too good to be true. You know, and I would just say that thank you for coming here. Thank you very much. We hope that you go on with your life. But then think twice when you go home and have a search, consensus search in your soul whether you have done better, much better than we expect in this hearing. Okay? Sana malinawagan ka mamayang gabi, pag-aaral ka at saka magdasal ka na sana sinasabi mo sa amin totoo. Sa akin lang, parang there was a really big difference. Merong problema sa ano mo, testimony mo na somehow I was thinking na probably it is half truth yung sinabi mo. Kalahati lang ang totoo, kalahati hindi. Okay? Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Chairman. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyway, let me assure the members na this will not be the end of the concerns of Ronnie Dayan kasi ito naman ang pinag-uusapan natin yung testimonya dito. Pero ang mas nakikita kong problema ni Ronnie Dayan dahil meron ang nakapile na kaso sa kanya. And yung truth that is that we would want him to bring about is more needed when he goes through the WPP program of the Department of Justice where doon kasi pag WPP he can be given immunity from prosecution. Ito hindi naman tayo nagpro-prosecute kanya. Just want to remind everyone that of course we have some concerns. I have some concerns on Ronnie in like manner that I have some concerns on those witnesses who were before us on their credibility. And I've always said time and again the reckoning of their of the probative value of their testimonies will be when they go through a preliminary investigation by the Department of Justice.